Now let's discuss creating your YouTube videos and thumbnails for mobile versus desktop. Today, most users are on mobile devices of all sorts, and tomorrow and later and after that and moving forward, there's just going to be more use of mobile. So really, mobile is the most important type of user because they're the most numerous. What do we know about them? They use small screens and they're easily distracted. A lot of them are on commute. A lot of them are walking, like I often am while watching YouTube video because I'm just listening to things. So it's hard to engage them. It's easy to lose them. They can't do or watch complicated things oftentimes. So you want to test first on mobile. Now, if you're creating your images or filming and editing and marketing the videos, most likely you're doing that from a desktop computer or a laptop just because it's easier to do it on a bigger screen. And so you might think, oh, I got to test on my desktop. And yes, you should test on your desktop, but do not forget to test on your mobile device because that's where most of your viewers are going to watch the video. I recommend having a video that you keep unlisted on your channel and you can upload different thumbnails just to preview them on your YouTube before you launch, just for testing. And when a video is set to unlisted, that means people can only watch it if they have a direct link. So you just kind of go there through your own link on your mobile device to test. And because most people use small screens, you want to use the thumbnails and your videos, they should be zoomed in and focused on fewer things rather than more, if it's possible. Now, if you're making all that effort to zoom in on very small detailed things to a point that it ruins the video, so only do that to a reasonable amount as long as your video is still good. Because the most important thing is to keep the video good and then zoom in so that mobile people can watch without ruining the actual video. For example, if you're showing how to do something on a screen, or especially in Excel where there's small things and small numbers, it's really hard to follow on a phone. I've tried to do that on a phone. It's almost impossible. So know your audience, think about how easy or difficult it might be for them to follow on a mobile device, and you yourself watch the video on a mobile device. If it's really hard to follow, that means you're going to have poor view time by people on mobile, and that's going to cause you to not get ranked and recommended by YouTube. So there's a lot of ramifications to this.